Welcome to Macondo Capital. In this video, we will delve into the art of woodworking and trace the remarkable journey of Gmelina timber, from the forest to the finished product. Our journey begins with the first step, the nursery. Here, our trees are carefully born and selected, adhering to specific parameters to establish the Gmelina plantation. Once the trees are meticulously chosen, the next crucial task is selecting the perfect planting site. Several key factors, such as water supply, slopes, and sunlight exposure, play a pivotal role in this selection process. With the ideal site secured, we embark on land clearing. We employ mulcher equipment to efficiently remove unwanted vegetation, leaving behind a protective layer of mulch that fosters soil health, water retention, and ensures the proper growth of our trees. After clearing the land, it's time for plowing. During this process, we break the ground to promote rapid root growth and enhance water absorption, setting the stage for healthy tree development. Over the course of a patient 12-year wait, we diligently maintain the plantation. This entails weed removal, pruning, and continuous monitoring of the plantation's growth. Finally, when maturity is achieved, we initiate the harvesting process, employing specialized wheeled harvesters and forwarders capable of handling long logs. The harvested logs are then transported to our sawmill, where they undergo precision dimensioning to meet our customers' specific needs. Subsequently, they are dried in state-of-the-art kiln dryers. The culmination of this 12-year journey is the prized Gmelina timber, now ready to offer our customers an array of possibilities. Whether it's for constructing houses, creating laminated beams, crafting wooden pencils or colors, fashioning exquisite furniture, or simply serving as high-quality timber, Gmelina stands as a testament to the rewards of dedication and sustainability in the world of woodworking.